Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a Skittles experiment. So yeah, we're going to put the Skittles across right here and they have to be spreaded. You can use any kind of Skittles you want, but just make sure they're not sour, because if they're sour it might not work as well because they're out of sugar and like serinic acid or whatever it's called on them. So yeah, and we're just gonna keep on doing this until we filled it. So why did the skipper cross the street? Because he wanted to go to an Eden challenge. Why did he want to go to an Eden challenge? He was skipping 62. LA Beast. So yeah, we're just gonna keep on doing this. But what I'm thinking is it might not work and the colors are just gonna mix together and make a purple, blackish and brownish. Comment down below what you think. I will, and also I'm doing a Q&A next video. At least get like three, and even the same person can give me a lot of questions, because I know a lot of people don't watch my YouTube that much, so a lot of people can give me questions. Like the same person can give me questions a lot. So yeah, I'll be doing that soon if I get like a comment or 2 or 3. So yeah. Let's do it. We're gonna do it now. Ah, my ear's ringing. I don't know why. Oh, I put my hand on my ear and now it's ringing. Never put your hand like right here on your ear or it'll ring. Oh, nothing's really happening right now, but it'll come in quick. Nope. And you're gonna need hot water too. It's working. Ooh, let's go. Look at that. Ooh. It's not really spreading in, but I'm still happy. I'm gonna see if I shake it a little bit, because it looks like when I'm shaking it, it's kind of going in, but it's kind of going out too. Light and fill. Okay, so I mean, this isn't really rainbow color because it's the wild berry kind. So yeah, but I'm really excited that it kind of worked. This is actually pretty cool, to be honest. It didn't go as planned, but it's still very cool. The colors are mixing in though. And it's a color supreme. Look at that rainbow right there. Whee! So that's gonna make a brown color. Sorry, I'm getting spammed. My friend's probably mad right now. I haven't been responding to his text. So here, if you like the video, I better go before it gets overheated. So yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for like 3 videos a week. This is not sponsored by Skittles. Not advertising, no money.